Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video we will be looking into how to do image classification for web using Next.js and MediaPipe. So instead of Next.js you can use any framework, that doesn't really matter. And if you are curious, you can follow this documentation for image classification guide for web. I have literally copy pasted everything from the documentation. So I'll show you the output first. Here I have one image of a cat, and if I click on the identify button here in the console, you can see it is able to identify that it is an Egyptian cat. So let's get started. So all you have to do is first create a Next.js application. One thing which I will tell you is that in case if you are constantly trying to save, if you type a little bit of code and if you save it and again you type little bit of code and save it, and if you try to then click on identify, here you can see it is not working for me. Just do an hot refresh. This issue won't happen in production because there is no hot refresh or a hot reload, whatever you call it, for production. But if I now click on identify, here you can see if I again click on it, here you can see the count is increasing, right? Sometimes what happens is that if you do hot refresh, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So here you can see it is now working, but previously it wasn't working for me. So yeah, just be careful with that. So first create an Next.js application, and inside package.json you can install this MediaPipe task vision dependency. Once you do that, you just have to go to page.tsx, and here you can see I have taken one variable for image classifier and one for image ref. Then inside use effect I am calling this init function, and if you see this init function, it basically downloads a wasm file from this particular CDN, which will help us for image classification. And here then I'm just initializing our image classifier dot create from options. I'm passing our vision variable, and here I am passing the model asset path, so it requires a model asset path as well. So again I have copy pasted this model asset path from the documentation itself. So it's better you recommend you see the documentation, because this path might differ in the future. So here you can see this is the path for it, and inside our UI element I have just taken an image tag, and I have just inside public folder I have just added this cat image, which I am showing inside our image tag. And on button click, all I am checking is our image ref dot current, that is our image ref has been properly set, and image classifier is also not equal to null. Then we are just calling classifier method of our image classifier. Then we will get image classifier result, and from that we are getting the categories. Now there are list of categories and classification. I am just concentrating on the first one, but if you want you can use a for loop as well. And here I will get the categories, and I'm just displaying the category name as well as the display name. So yeah, that's it. And here you can see I'm just closing our button. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.